Hi, I'm Daniel Stouffer, author of Future Ready. And if you're watching this, you probably care deeply about the next generation's success. But here's the truth we're all facing. AI took the entry-level job, and no one handed us a new script. Students today are stepping into a world where automation is replacing roles faster than universities can redesign their syllabi. Career ladders are collapsing at the bottom rung. So if you've ever felt unsure of how to guide a student, client, or even your own child through this new reality, you're not alone. Future Ready is the playbook I wish I had when I first realized that traditional advice, get the degree, land the job, climb the ladder, no longer applies. This book doesn't offer nostalgia, it offers navigation. It's for guidance counselors who want to give honest direction. It's for parents who don't want to steer their kids towards safe but disappearing careers. It's for educators who know the system is outdated, but still want to prepare students for what's next. And it answers the hardest moment we all face. What do you say when you don't know what to say? Inside, you'll get frameworks to help students develop AI-proof skills like discernment, foresight, emotional intelligence, and adaptability, the things machines can't mimic. You'll learn how to help them build career portfolios, not just resumes, to pivot with purpose, not panic, to choose identity over job titles. This isn't about predicting the future, it's about preparing for it, with tools, not guilt. So if you're ready to become the guide the future needs, Future Ready is your next step. Let's stop repeating old scripts. Let's start building new maps together.